Now in this video we are going to learn about another command, that is the hostname command. Okay, so basically hostname command is we use to get the information about your what is the host name, like this name, and how you can change the name. Also with the help of host command you will get the uh, IP address. Okay, so we will start with the implementation part. So let me increase the first font size, so hope it is visible to you. So now what we have to do, we have to just write the host name. So it will basically give you the whatever the host name of your computer, that is this one, Ayush VirtualBox. Okay, so also you can what we say, change the host name, and also you can get the IP address using different options. If I will use -i, then it will give me this localhost IP address, and but if you will use the capital I, then in that case you will get the actual IP address, and whatever the IP address will be present in your system. So in this case we have only one IP address. And now moving forward, the interesting part of this particular video is that you can change the host name also. So how you can do it, there are basically two methods, and you should be like run this command as a root. Okay, like in my case this Ayush user is like in the sudo's file, and we can easily change using this particular command. So how you can do it, you have to just use this particular sudo host name and host name, and then what we have to do, you have to just give the different name. Okay, I will give this one. Actually this is my Instagram page username, you can follow if you want. So I think I entered wrong password. Let me erase now. Ayush. Okay, so a specified hostname is invalid because we have used underscores. So underscores are not allowed. I will just remove it. Underscores and hit enter. And now I will again open up the one terminal, new terminal, and here you can see the hostname has been changed from Ayush VirtualBox to this one, exabyte. Okay. So but now what I want to like keep my hostname as it is, so I will just copy this one, and what I will do, I will just again run this command. I use this, and now in this case you will get that it is same as previous one. Okay, so moving forward, if you want to change this hostname in some kind of different method, so how you can do it, it is very unique thing, you can say. Like you will use the one file. I will create one file, that is let's create with the hostname.txt, and I will write the hostname as, let me write let's write same thing, exabyte, and control D to save. And now what we have to do, you have to just use this command, that is the sudo host name and capital F and the file name which we have created, that is hostname.txt. And now again I will open up the new terminal, and here you can see the hostname has been changed from Ayush VirtualBox to exabyte again. So in this way you can change the hostname also very easily. Now moving forward, if you talk about the FQDN, that is a fully qualified domain name, that is basically a domain name for a specific computer or a host on the internet, you can say like that. So how you find it, using this only one option, that is -f. So this is the now my actual host name. So in this case you can get the FQDNs also. If you want to learn more about it, you can just Google it, what are FQDNs. So first, now let me again change my host name to the previous one, this one. Yeah, now it's changed. So yeah, done. So I hope you like this particular video, and if you have any queries, if you have any doubt, then please ask us in the comment section. So that's all for today's video. We will stop here, and I will meet you in the next video. So thank you for watching, and we'll meet you next one. Thank you guys. Bye bye.